Okay, this is Orlando Wilson, and in this video I want to answer a question that was sent to me by Corey out of Miami. And this is a little bit of a hot topic on social media, whether people people in the close protection business, executive protection business, should be posting pictures of them with their clients. And the answer is no, of course not. To me, it's stupid. Yes, we all want to promote a business, etc., etc. I see it from that angle, which I'll talk about in a second. But again, you should not be posting current pictures of you with your clients. Why? Because it can compromise the client, compromise their mode of transport, and compromise you. If I'm looking to target that client and I see that you're their security person, security company, again, you're going to be the first people I'm going to target. I'm going to look into you, your routine, your family, etc., 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 because you're going to be the first people I squeeze before I squeeze the client. And if you think, well, I'm a tough guy, that's not going to happen, all I can say is wake the F up. That's how the criminals think, that's how the criminals operate, etc. So by posting pictures of you with your client, you're compromising them, where they are, what they're doing, their modes of transport, and you're also compromising yourself. So wake up, and I'm putting it politely. I understand you need to promote. So yes, it can be good for you to promote, if you get a good client, to promote that you've had that client in the future. But I would say you want to wait at least a few weeks before you start posting pictures, etc., etc. And again, I would always get the client's permission and run past them whatever you're going to promote or whatever you're going to put on social media. Because again, if that client, you want that client to come back to you. You don't want that client to look at you like you're some dirtbag because you're posting private pictures of them, etc. And again, the pictures you post you should make sure you have the permission of everybody involved and they're not compromising to anybody or anything. Always check the backgrounds of your pictures. You don't want to be posting a picture of you and your client in a nightclub and there's a line of Coke on the table, right? So now, as far as the promotion's concerned, yes, it works for some people. One person comes to mind in London years and years ago. I think the guy's dead now. Whenever there was a red carpet event, a film premiere, this guy was always in the background having his picture taken with the celebrities. It worked for him. He was in that world. He was in that business. I would say, is one of the minority, very, very few people that could get away with it. The other reason for not posting pictures of you and your clients, and again, I'll relate this back to Miami. When I was there, when Art Basel was on, I always was slammed busy. I had some good clients. And one reason I didn't want people to know who my clients were, apart from I didn't want people to know where my clients are anyway. One of the main reasons is I didn't want people to be approaching my clients and trying to undercut me, which happens. The close protection world, the executive protection world, it's a rat race. So if I started posting client pictures of me with my clients in certain venues in South Florida, I guarantee all the cockroaches, all the wannabe executive protection cockroaches will be crawling out of their little holes and trying to find my clients, approach my clients, trying to undercut me, discredit me, etc. And if that didn't work, what usually happens with the cockroaches, they'd be phoning up division of licensing, because again, the business there is like security and private investigation business there is licensed. Phoning up division of licensing, trying to report me for something, trying to get my guys inspected wherever they were, etc. So this is where you don't want to compromise yourself, you don't want to compromise your client. It's not good from the security perspective and also the business perspective. So I hope this little video makes sense on a couple of reasons why you shouldn't be posting current pictures of you with your clients, your venues, etc., etc. You got to be very, very careful these days. And again, it's not just the security threat, it's also the business threat. So thank you, Corey, for that request for a video. And if any of you out there have got any other requests, I'm happy to answer your questions. It might take me some time to get back to you, but please feel free to send me any relevant and realistic questions, requests, etc., etc. In the meantime, follow me along on social media. We got a lot of stuff up now, be it LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube. There's a lot of videos up. I've also got an array of books on Amazon that covers various aspects of the security business, etc., etc. And also, don't forget, we do still provide close protection, executive protection, security services, and consultancy services, which is something we're pushing at the moment. Wherever you are, you can be in contact with us if you need to be, for a fee, of course. So in the meantime, be good, stay safe, stay out of trouble, and don't go compromising yourself or your clients. Promote yourself sensibly.